Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We are discussing MRI brain of 20 years old female patient who had the history of eclampsia, and immediately after delivery she presented with significant headache, visual disturbances, altered mental status with fits. So in this case we can see axial flare and T2 weighted sequence, where we can clearly appreciate abnormal increased signals in parieto-occipital lobes, predominantly in posterior areas, which are suggestive of vasogenic edema, most probably because of posterior reversible encephalopathy syndrome, that is PRES syndrome, PRES, PRES syndrome. This is because of vasogenic edema in above described areas. Although there is no standard diagnostic criteria for this syndrome, however, because of non-specific nature of this condition, which leaves room for the diagnosis to be overlooked, leading to delay in appropriate treatment, this condition is associated with hypertension, eclampsia, autoimmune diseases, renal failure, sepsis, and immunocompromised states. This can also be seen in those patients who are on immunosuppressive therapy, and even can be noted in HIV patients and in patients who had history of the organ transplants. We can see dural venous sinuses are normal, while there is no hemorrhage or mass lesion, no midline shift noted, and there is no evidence of hydrocephalus. Brainstem, epiangles, and cerebellum appears unremarkable. So this is a case which requires clinico-radiological correlation for proper diagnosis. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.